While the deadly tornado that struck Joplin, Missouri has long since stopped making headlines, some students at Cypress Ranch High School certainly haven't forgotten about it. Greg Rugen has their story.
At Cypress Ranch High, they love making music, and it shows.
Nice. Can we get less on the F?
It is a love for melody and creativity so complete, kids here can't imagine the heartache of living without them. That's why through Teenage Eyes, students here see what happened to arts programs in tornado-ravaged Joplin, Missouri, as a catastrophe within a disaster.
I know choir means so much to me, and if our program got destroyed, I know what I would do.
Even though we live really far away and we might not know each other, we're still a family. Like we're friends that don't know each other.
And so with their time, their talent, and their music, the singers and actors of Cypress Ranch are reaching out.
It helps you focus on other people and not just yourself.
Reaching out and raising money to restore to kids much like themselves what a tornado has taken away.
Here, arts really do help us with our issues, and so we feel like we could help them there.
A gift gladly given for the best of all reasons.
We love them. Nicely done.
In Cypress, Greg Rugen, Fox 26 News.